Finding the right software to manage your business's operations, customer communications, and everything else is important. And with so much software available, how do you know which one to choose? Well, today we're going to have a look at GoHighLevel and we're going to have a look at Podio. We're going to put them head to head and see which one is better for you. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, let's jump into GoHighLevel. This platform is designed primarily for marketing agencies, but it really can be beneficial for any business looking to streamline operations. First of all, it has an all-in-one marketing platform. So GoHighLevel combines CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, and automation tools into one single platform. This allows you to manage everything from like lead generations to customer engagement pretty seamlessly. It's got a funnel builder. You can create high converting sales funnels with a user-friendly drag and drop builder. This helps you capture leads and convert them into customers. Duh, that's what you're there for, man. Got white labeling options. It's perfect for agencies. It allows you to fully brand the platform as your own, providing a personalized experience for your clients. It also has automated workflows. You can set up complex workflows that automate tasks, can free up your time and ensure consistent communication with leads and clients. And you'd think it's hard to do. It's not, it's super easy. It also has reputation management. It includes tools to manage and respond to customer reviews across various platforms. It can help you really maintain a positive online experience and really hands-on feel. Having a look one or two of the drawbacks for GoHighLevel, it's a pretty steep learning curve. So yes, once you get into it, it's relatively easy to use, but as a new user, might be a little bit overwhelming, especially if you're not used to the whole scene. If it's something that you have to get into, it's going to require a bit of time to fully understand. Also, there's limited third-party integrations. Although it does offer essential features and it really does have a lot of tools, it does lack some integrations that other platforms might have that are more or better than GoHighLevel. So if this is a deal breaker for you, maybe you should have a look at some other software. Let's have a look at Podio now. So Podio is a platform that's excellent for project management as well as team collaboration. It offers a wide range of customizable features, which is great. It allows you to create apps tailored to your specific workflow. This flexibility makes it awesome for diverse teams' needs. Also, it has built-in collaboration features, which enables teams to communicate, share files, and work together in real time. This really can enhance your overall productivity. It's got task management. It offers task management capabilities that allow you to assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress seamlessly throughout your team. It does also integrate with quite a few different tools. It can connect with Google Drive, Dropbox, Zapier, and this can really streamline your workflow and get everything in one place. Podio also has a mobile application. It can really help you stay connected and manage your projects on the go, keeping your team productive anytime, anywhere. One or two of the drawbacks of Podio is the complexity for large teams. So as your team grows, it might not scale with you. Navigating through Podio's customization options can become a little bit complex and it may require dedicated resources to manage that effectively. It also has one or two performance issues. There have been reports that the platform can be a bit slow at times, specifically with large databases or when handling very extensive data entries. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs, the needs of your business, and your personal preference. At the end of the day, what you need to do is go and use both of the platforms and see how it works in your specific circumstance. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.